Yes students, now we are in page number 41. Okay, the change for a 2000 rupee note. You all might have seen 2000 rupees note with your parents, correct na students? Yes. Now how we all can exchange for the 2000 rupees note? Now see the first one. How many 20 rupees notes are needed to exchange 2000? 20 rupees ka notes. Okay, the amount is 2000 and how many 20 rupees notes you all have needed? Okay, this 0 and 0 is cut. Okay students, now in 2 table how many time 2 comes? In 2 table 2 comes 1 time. Okay, नीचे के नंबर तो कट हो गई. So what is the answer? 100. What is the answer? 100. So 120 rupee notes are needed to make 2000. Okay. Now next one is how many 50 rupees notes are needed? Same way, 2000 write it upon 50,000. Sorry, upon 50. Okay, 0 0 cut. Now in 5 table how many times 20 comes? 5 ones are 5 4s are, so 40. Okay, so 40 notes of 50 rupees you all needed for 2000 rupees note. Okay, now how many 100 rupees notes are needed? Same way, write 2000 upon 100, cut 1 0, cut 1 0, cut 1 0, cut 1 0. Okay, so here 1, so that means 1 directly 20. In 1 table 20 comes 20 times. So 20 rupee notes you will have needed for 100 rupee. Okay, 20 rupees notes you all needed to make 2000 rupees. Now last one 500. Last one is 500. So 2000 upon 500. 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut. In 5 table how many times 20 comes? In 5 table it comes 4 times. So how many 500 rupee you will have needed? You needed 4. 500 rupee makes 2000 rupees. Okay students? Okay, you are supposed to do the division for this sum so that you all can get the answer easily. Okay, now next one, small notes and coins can also be exchanged for a single bigger note or coin. Now 100 rupees. How many 50 rupees are needed? 250 rupees are needed. You all can do in the other way also. 150 rupees, 220 that is 90 plus 10 that is 100. 50 rupees also there are 2 ways. 10 10 10 30. Here 5, here 5. So 2 times. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 30 plus 5 plus 5 10. I will show you all very clearly. Wait. See here students. This is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Plus 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 5 plus 5 is 10. So 30 plus 10 plus 10. Yes students. 30 rupees plus 10 plus 10 rupees, that is 50 rupees. Yes. Now the other way to exchange 50 rupees is 20 rupees plus 20 rupees, that is 40 rupees plus 10 rupees, that is 50 rupees. This is the other way. Okay. Now see, write the correct number in the square. Now 50 rupees note they have given. Okay, 50 rupees note. How many rupees note? 50 rupees note. Now how many 5 rupees you all have needed? How many 5 rupees? Now you all say फ्रॉम 5 टेबल हाउ मेनी टाइम 50 कम्स, 5 के टेबल में हाउ मेनी टाइम 50 कम्स, 10 टाइम्स, 5 10s are 50, correct? So 10 5 rupee note you all needed. Oh, it should be here, first one. 10 5 rupee note you all have needed. Now again 50, how many 10 rupee note you all have needed? So 0 0 cut, 1 5, that is 5, correct? So 5 10 rupee note you all have needed. Now here the combo of 2 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. Okay, combo of 2 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. You all can take it. 2 rupee coin 2 5s, it has become 10. अभी 50 रुपीज़ में 10 गए तो बैलेंस कितना है 40 रुपीज़. तो हाउ मेनी 10 रुपी कॉइन यू हैव नीडेड? 4. 10 4s are 40. सो 10 + 5 50. या फिर द अदर वे मेथड ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक. 2 रुपीज़ का 10 कॉइन ले लिए. सो 2 10s are 20. अगर 50 में से 20 गए तो बैलेंस इज 30 रुपीज़. 10 रुपीज़ का 3 कॉइन दैट इज 30. So 20 and 30 it will become 50. Yes students? Yes. Now the next one, second one, see 5 rupees notes for 100. Same 100 upon 5 करेंगे. Okay. अभी 5 के टेबल में 1 we cannot take because 1 doesn't come directly from the table, so we will take 2 digit. तो 5 के टेबल में 5 2s are 10, 2 times, then again 0 as it is we will write. So 25 rupee note you all have needed. कितना 5 rupee note चाहिए? 25 rupee note. 20 multiplied by 5, what is the answer students? 100 rupees ना. So you all needed 25 rupees notes. Then again combo of 10 rupee note and 20 rupee note to make 100 rupee note. So 10 rupee note we will take 4. You can take 5 also, you can take 6 also. Okay. So 10 rupee का note I took 4. तो 4 है तो what happened? 40. Now 20 rupees का how many notes I will take? अभी 40 हुआ, 100 में से ऑलरेडी 40 हो गया, तो बैलेंस हाउ मच इज़ देयर? बैलेंस 60 इज़ देयर. तो 60 है तो 20 रुपीज़ का नोट कितना चाहिए होगा? 3 नोट्स, दैट इज 60. 40 + 60 इज 100 रुपी नोट. करेक्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज 20 रुपी नोट. अभी 100 के लिए हाउ मेनी 20 रुपी नोट यू ऑल नीडेड? 0 0 कट हुआ. 2 के टेबल में 10 कम्स हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 5 टाइम्स. सो 5 20 rupees notes you all have needed to make 100 rupee. Okay. Now again 50 rupees note. How many 50 rupees notes you all have needed? कितना 50 rupees का नोट चाहिए? Again 0 0 cut. 5 के टेबल में 10 how many time it comes? 5 1s are 5 2s are. तो 2 notes चाहिए. कितना notes you will needed? 2 note. 150 note and 150 note. So 2 note makes 100. Yes students? Yes. Now we will go to next page.